Hello, welcome to my channel SlideHunt. Today in this lesson we are going to learn formatting tags. So what are formatting tags? Formatting tags are used to modify the output or display the web page in a specified style. We can format the HTML document using this tag: b tag, I tag, u tag, suv tag, sup tag, mark tag, small tag, and big tag. So let's see how different tags change the appearance of your web page. This is our HTML document. Here we write our code and we see the result here. So I'm going to start with the b tag. B tag is used to display the text in bold. The text that you want to print in bold, put that part inside the b tag. Here I'm going to write a sentence. This is an HTML document. Now we want the word HTML will print in bold. For that, I'm going to add here opening b tag and here closing b tag. Let's check the output. Save this document and refresh the browser. And you can see here the word HTML is shown in bold. Next is I tag. I tag is used to print the text in italic. Let's see an example. Add here line break. Now I'm going to copy it and paste here. Now write here opening I tag and here closing I tag. Save the document. Refresh the browser. And you can see here the word HTML is shown in italic. Now we are going to talk about u tag. If you want to underline some important word or sentence, then you have to use u tag. Here I'm going to put the word HTML inside the u tag. I'm going to write here opening u tag and here closing u tag. Save it. Refresh the page and you can see here the word HTML is underlined. Okay, the next thing that I want to tell you, if you want, you can apply more than one tag in a single text. For example, here I'm going to add b tag, u tag, and I tag together. In this case, you have to follow the last in first out rule. Means the last inserted tag will close first. Here we insert u tag last, so it will close first, then I tag, and then b tag. Okay, save it. Let's check the output. You can see here all the three effects are applied here. The word HTML is bold, italic, and underline also. Next is SUV tag. It indicates subscript. Subscripted text appear below the normal line and is used to write the chemical formulas like CO2, H2O, etc. I'm going to write here CO2 plus H2O and then new line. We need to put this 2 inside the subscript tag. So I'm going to write here opening subscript tag and here closing subscript tag. Similarly, we do here also. Let's check the output. And the output is this. Okay, next we are going to talk about SUV tag. It indicates superscript. Superscripted text appear above the normal line. Superscript is used to write mathematical formulas like a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have to put this 2 inside the superscript tag. So I'm going to write here opening SUV tag and here closing SUV tag. We do the same thing here also. Save it, refresh the web page, and you can see here it shows you a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next, we are going to talk about mark tag. Mark tag is used to highlight a text that is of special interest or relevance in an HTML document. Here I'm going to put the word HTML inside the mark tag. I'm going to write an opening mark tag and here closing mark tag. Add here a new line. Save this document. Now refresh the browser. You can see here the word HTML is highlighted. Okay, let's go ahead. Next, we are going to talk about small tag. Small tag is used to make the text smaller comparison to other text. Here I'm going to write a sentence. This is an HTML document. Now I'm going to put the word HTML inside the small tag. Add here opening small tag and here closing small tag. Save it. Let's check the output. You can see here the word HTML is shown in smaller font comparison to other text. Okay, there is another tag in HTML is called big tag. Big tag is completely opposite of small tag. It is used to make the text bigger comparison to other text. Add here new line. I'm going to copy it and paste here. Now I'm going to write here opening big tag and here closing big tag. Save it. Refresh the browser. You can see here the word HTML is shown in bigger font comparison to other text around it. This is it. Thank you for staying with us. Goodbye and see you soon with another tutorial.